Hey friends, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we've got something special for you that will not only simplify your website hosting, but also save you big bucks. I'm thrilled to introduce you to Host Armada, a hosting solution that's not only powerful, but also budget-friendly. Right now, Host Armada is offering an incredible deal of up to 75% off on their hosting plans. Whether you're just starting with a shared hosting plan or need the robustness of cloud hosting, Host Armada has got you covered. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable shared hosting plan, Host Armada has your back. With features like free website migration, daily backups, and a user-friendly control panel, managing your website has never been simpler. But wait, there's more. If you're ready to take your website to the next level with cloud hosting, Host Armada delivers top-notch performance, scalability, and security. And yes, you still get that fantastic discount. Now, to snag that amazing discount, all you need to do is click the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this limited time offer. Your website deserves the best, and Host Armada is here to provide it. So, what are you waiting for? Click that link, explore the hosting plans, and give your website the hosting it deserves. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our simple solutions. Thank you for watching Get a Simple. Signing off.